2022. But two things remain the same. Number one, the only way for you to legally own and protect your brand is still to get it trademarked. Number two, Trademark Factory is still the only firm in the world that can help you trademark your brand with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. So if you haven't trademarked your brand yet, what are you waiting for? Now is the time to do it. And until then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.